home. The time has come. Christmas is down. My house is cold and bare and colorless. So we need to do a house reset. We need to clean it, get it all refreshed. We're gonna do a part 1 and part 2 because we do have 2 levels. So I'm gonna do part 1 as the lower level. Part 2 will be the upper level. I'm gonna focus on dusting, vacuuming, and wiping all the windows and mirrors down, and then hopefully fit in the bathroom. So if you love cleaning motivation, if you love motherhood motivation, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. First, we're gonna go in the kitchen because I have not had coffee yet, and there's no way I'm cleaning this house without some fuel, and then we're gonna get to it. It is about 5:30. I am really happy with how much I did get done. If you're enjoying the video up to this point, be sure and give it a big thumbs up. That really helps me and this channel. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss part 2, which is where I will do upstairs and we'll deep clean that area.